So student, let's do recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So student, in the previous video we have completed question number A, tick the correct answer. Then question number B, fill in the blanks. And question number C, write true or false. So now let's start with question number D. Give short answers to the following questions. Question number 1, name all the planets in the solar system. So name of the planets, how many planets are in the solar system student? We have 8 planets in the solar system, and the name of the planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So student, we have already completed answer number 1. So in today's video, let's start with question number 2. Question is, how is the sun useful to us? Question number 2. How is the sun useful to us? Note down the answer. Question is, how is the sun useful to us? So firstly, note down the answer. The sun is useful to us because it helps us in many ways. The sun is useful to us because it helps us in many ways. First point, it give us natural light and heat. Second point, sunlight help plants to produce food. Sunlight helps plants to produce food. Sunlight helps plants to produce food. Next, third point, it also heat water. It also heat water and turns into water vapor. Now see student, how is the sun useful to us? See, sun is useful to us because it helps us in many ways. So student, we know that the planets do not have their own light. Okay, and another thing is that these planets are moving around the sun. So from where they are getting the light? They are getting the light from the sun. And what is a sun? Sun is a burning, made up of a burning gases. What is sun? Sun is a star. What is a sun? Sun is a star, and it is made up of burning gases which produce light and heat. Which produce light and heat. So student, the life is not possible because see student, firstly it gives us natural light and heat. So it means we are not paying any money for that. हम उसके लिए बेटा पैसा पे नहीं कर रहे हैं. ये नेचुरल लाइट है जो हमें सन जो है स्टार है उससे मिल रही है, लाइट भी एंड हीट आल्सो. नाउ व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ द सन लाइट एंड हीट? So another importance of sunlight is that, see student, plants can prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight, and this process is known as photosynthesis. So student, if plant prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight, air, water, minerals, so that is the full definition of photosynthesis. But student, if there is no sunlight, अगर बेटा sunlight नहीं होती तो plants are unable to prepare their own food, because see student, we all need energy, and from where we are getting this energy? We are getting this energy from the food which we are eating. So this sunlight is very important for the plant. If we know that student, plants are the only producer which can prepare their own food, and we animals and human beings, we are directly or indirectly, we are depend upon the plants for our food. So that is the reason sunlight is very important for the plants. Okay, so and the next thing is that we know that I have already explained you in chapter number 10 also. Water change from one form to another. Is it clear? And water cycle which I have explained you in chapter number 10, and which is a continuous cycle. So due to the heat of the sunlight, water evaporates and change into in the form of a water vapor, and these water vapor, when water change in the form of a vapor, it becomes very light and it rises up in the sky. And when these water vapor cools down, When they come in touch with the cool air, they cool down. That process is known as condensation. Then these tiny drops of water form the clouds, and when these drops of water become very heavy, then what's happened? From the clouds it comes down in the form of a rain. So all these thing is also possible due to the heat of the sunlight. That is the reason, student, sunlight is very important for us. Okay, so how is the sun useful to us? We have discussed, we get natural light and heat. Second point, it helps plant to produce food, because we human beings and animal, we both are depend on plants for our food, directly or indirectly. Is it clear? And it also heat water and turns into a water vapor. So this is the importance of sunlight. Note down from the board. Now next question, what is, question number 3, what is atmosphere? Question number 3, what is atmosphere? So student, note down the answer. What is atmosphere? First of all, note down the answer. The earth is the earth is surrounded the earth is surrounded by a layer of air. This is called it atmosphere. So student, what is a atmosphere? So the earth is surrounded, our planet earth is surrounded by a layer of a earth. Okay, and this layer of a air, our planet earth is surrounded by a layer of air, and this is called it atmosphere of the earth. Note down the answer. Now let's start with the Question number E. Answer the following question. And question number E. Answer the following questions. Question number E. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Yes. What are satellites? How are they different from the star? What are satellite? How they are? What are satellite? How they are different? How they are different from the stars? Okay. First of all, note down the answer, and after that, I will discuss this answer with you. Okay, note down a body in space that a body in space that moves around a planet. They are different from the stars. A body in space that moves around a planet. They are different they are different from the stars because because star because stars emit their own light. A body in space that's move around a planet, they are different from the stars because stars emit their own light. Their light, whereas satellite satellite do not have satellites do not have their own light. Okay, and light and heat, and they orbit and they orbit around the planet. So note down the answer. See student, what are satellites? Okay, how they are different from the star. See, so satellites are also in the space. Now see student, for example, in a solar system, sun is the star and there are 8 planets in the solar system. When we are talking about the solar system, the sun is the star and all these planets, they move around the sun. And what happens in the case of and all these planets move around the sun, that is the reason they are getting the light and heat of the sun. Now see student, what happen in the case of satellites? These are also present in the space. Satellites भी कहाँ होते हैं बेटा? Satellites are also present in the space. But now what happens in the case of a satellite student? Satellites, they also move, but they move around the planet. That's the difference. Planets moves around the sun. So in the same manner, in the space we have satellites also, and these satellites move around the planets. Okay, and these satellites do not have their own light. And why they shine? Because they reflect the sunlight. ठीक है, फिर भी वो शाइन कैसे करते हैं? बिकॉज दे रिफ्लेक्ट द sunlight. Is it clear? Now another thing in the case of this is about satellites. Satellites do not have their own light. This is the first point. They shine due to the sunlight. And third point, satellites move around the planets. Satellites moves around the planet. Now in the case of how they are different from the star? Stars have their own light because these stars are made of burning gases which produce heat and light. So star is made of burning gases which produce heat and light. So what is the difference? Difference is that stars have their own light. Stars have their own light. Okay, and heat, and another this point I have already discussed with you that satellites orbit क्या है बेटा, एक फिक्स पाथ होती है. when I explained you chapter, at that time I explained you, see all the planets are moving around the sun, so they are moving in a fixed path, and this path is known as orbit. So I hope the difference between satellite and star is clear to all of you. Satellite, they do not have their own light, they move around the planet, okay, and in the case of stars, stars have their own light, they are made of a burning gases, so they produce their own heat and light. So this is the difference between a star and satellite. Okay, so note down the answer. Now second question, why is earth called a special planet? Question number 2, why is earth called a special planet? Why earth is called a special planet? So firstly note down the answer, then I will explain you. The earth is called a special planet because it is the only planet, because it is the only planet in the solar system, solar system known to have because it is the only planet in the solar system known to have water and see, why is the earth called it a special planet, student? Earth is called it a special planet because all the conditions which are required for the life, all things are present on this planet, that is our planet Earth. Okay, what are the conditions required for the life? All that conditions are present on this planet Earth. That is the reason Earth is also called it a special planet. Thank you, student.